Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs and you can you share the access of your document with your team members and so that both of you can collaborate over the same document at the same time. So first of all you have to open your Google Docs. So I'll just click over here and go to our Google Docs. Okay, and after opening the Google Docs, this kind of interface will come in front of you. So you just need to select your document. Let's suppose I select this document and I want to share the access of this document with my team members so that they can also collaborate over the document at the same time and we can see the live changes in the document at the same time. So how you can share the access of your docs file with your team member? For this purpose you just need to click on this share button, and after clicking on the share button you can write the email of your partner. Let's suppose I write like this. Mm, so this is the person to whom I want to share the access, and I give him the access of editor. You can also give the access of viewer, commenter and editor. I'm going to give a full access to my team member edit as an editor. So I'll just click the editor and then I will click on the send button. Whenever I click on the send button, he will get a notification, and he will also receive an email in his Gmail account, and through that email then he can also access this document and can collaborate with me on the same document at the same time, and both of us can see the live changes made to our document. So that was all about how you can give Google Docs access to your team members and how they can collaborate at the same time. I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.